In this video tutorial, I will showcase how to use string methods, predefined string methods. So I have using a variable which hold a hello world. So first we are using the upper method. So I'm using like print a dot upper, same as it is a low, print a dot lower. For removing the white spaces, I'm using dot strip method. For the replacing, I'm using print a dot replace method, where I'm assigning the first character and and replace with the second value, like like this. Remove this, and again one, and split based on the value. I'm running this. After that, the values be written in the terminal. Like I'm using first is the upper method, so it's returning whole words in the uppercase. Second is the lower, so it's returning whole values in the lowercase. Then third, we remove the spaces. So if you see there is some space from the starting, so it's remove it. Second, we are replace the values from H to J, and last we are splitting the values based on the comma, so it's returning the array based on the remove. If you want to see all other methods related to the Python which is we use for the Python programming, so you check this link on the W3 schools, where you see all the methods related the string. Okay, so I'm giving this link on my the description box. You have to go on my description box and follow this link. Hope you like this video. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. Thank you.